Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm the Crazy Cat Lady and I'm coming back at you today with an Ultra haul. It's a mini one, but I have to show it to you. It is epic. And I have my little elf hat. I'm all ready for Christmas. And I got these a while ago and I forgot to film it. So I am going to definitely, that's why I want to show it to you. Today is my so-called snow day, ice day, whatever you want to call it. I stayed home from work because it's just too dangerous on the roads. And my son's in the living room right now watching Daddy Home 2. So he's having a good time with that. So I'm filming. So anyway, I hope you're having a great day. I'm hoping if you're in the north area like we are, you're staying safe. And I tried on, I don't really have too experience on putting eyelashes, but I think, I'll get close, I think I did a pretty good job putting on my eyelashes today. I wanted to start wearing them again because I think putting on eyelashes completes the look when you do your makeup. And I really like it, and I have to show them to you. I got these in Ulta. So I got these cute, they're called Ardell Wispies. And I really, really, really love the looks of them. This is what they look like. Actually, let me take it out of the package so you can get a feel for it. But I wanted to try them out, and I see a lot of people wearing eyelashes, and it really does complete your look. See? And it does come with a little glue. So and they're very delicate though, and with me, I'm not a delicate person. It comes with a little glue, but I was talking to a woman that works there. They suggested, where is the glue? They suggested this glue. It's a lot easier to use. It's strip lash adhesive with aloe. So it comes like this, and you just brush it on, and it does go clear. So very, very easy, and I really like that. And they gave me a whole bunch of different samples, like Bare Minerals mascara and volume mineral based. I'll definitely try that out. They gave me I can't even pronounce it. Ariana Grande type of perfume. I have to try this out. I didn't try it yet. Let's smell. Let's smell this together. Let's see. Not too bad. I don't wear perfumes like I used to. I love the body sprays. I used to wear perfume like every day. I used to wear expensive perfume every single day, and ever since I got pregnant and had Noah, I discontinued use of it because I had a baby. I didn't want to have the perfume on, and ever since then I kind of, and I have these little samples too of scents, juicy scents, juicy served by Cosmopolitan. I think these are scents. Let's see. Let's see, what is this? I want to take this out. What is it? Does it have a scent to it? I'm thinking you can peel this off and get a scent. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's strong. That one. Pure Sugar. Let's see what this smells like. A little bit better. 100% chilled. So the Pure Sugar was okay. Let's see. This smells like very fresh. I like this one. The chilled one, 100% chilled. I really do love that one. In Love Unfiltered. So far I'm liking. Ooh, yuck. Ooh, no way. I don't know how to describe that smell. It smells like a skunkum. I don't know. It smells gross. Okay, nevertheless, moving on. I got the Jeffree Star Morphe X palette. I got this for an awesome price when I went really quite a while ago. So this is the palette itself, and I have it on my eyelids right now. I couldn't resist on putting it on, but look at these colors. These colors are gorgeous. And the big mirror. Oh my God, these colors are so gorgeous. I mean, look at this purple, very pigmented. The green I'm wearing. Let's do more of a pink, like a purpley, like this one, the purpley. So these colors are so pigmented and they're great. Look at this, how pigmented they are. Really, really great. And what I'll do is give you a bird's eye view so you can definitely see the palette all together. Look at, let me put it up so you can see it. See these colors? Give you a good look. Like over here, which I'll give you these colors. That one, that one, that one, that one, and that one I'm wearing right now. Really, really awesome colors. So I just wanted to try a Jeffree Star palette. I haven't ever tried one before, and I am like so excited. So, and it has a picture of him on the back. Love. So I'm digging this palette. I really like, I saw it even on a worker. He had it on. Gorgeous. He looked really beautiful. I mean, really beautiful. And he had his eyelashes done, and he looked epic. And I really, really love, that's why I got it. I said, wow, you look so nice. And he had the green. And I'm doing a little bit better. I have to start practicing with my makeup again. But I think I did okay on blending it. I'm no expert at it, but the more I do use makeup, the better it does come out. So with that said, I know it's a short one, but I wanted to do this haul by itself because this is the initial mini haul. And I definitely, I mean, this was I think it was before Thanksgiving. Yeah, it was before Thanksgiving when I, went there. So yeah, it was when I went over to New Britain to go for the mammogram and stuff. So I went over there and it was busy. They had like a makeup day or a special day they had going on, and tons of people getting their face made up, trying everything. It was explosion. I think, to be honest, I went into the one in Wethersfield. It's okay. I like it, but I'm thinking so far I like the Plainville one better for some reason. I don't know why. I feel so far the Plainville Ulta is more helpful. They ask you, well, can I help you? I went into the Wethersfield Ulta and they didn't even ask me. This was after Good Friday. I mean, Good Friday. What am I talking about? Black Friday. So, and they didn't even ask, they didn't even really say, can I help you, like one person. That's it. Crazy. So, with that said, I'm going to end this video. I have a sip, sorry. If you haven't already, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and remember to always love yourself, be yourself, and have an awesome day. Love you.